Hey everyone, Lice Lady here. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. So today we're going to talk about that term that everyone has been hearing, SuperLice. What exactly is SuperLice? SuperLice is lice that has been genetically mutated. They're born with a genetic mutation that makes them resistant to permethrins and pyrethrins, which is what you're seeing in those kits that are over the counter, like Rid and Nix and different things like that that have chemicals. Around 25 or so years ago, we were starting to see that lice were building up a resistance to certain products like pyrethrins and permethrins. Then, as the years have gone on, we've started to see that they've been building up more and more of a resistance. In 2016, there was a study done, and in 48 states, we found that in all of those states, that lice have built up a resistance to the permethrins and pyrethrins. That is why we have the term SuperLice. So what does that mean for all of us? It means that if you go to the grocery store and you buy a kit, Rid or Nix, something like that, you're not really going to see much of a positive effect. Positive effect meaning that it's going to get rid of your lice infestation. There are, however, other alternatives, such as products that we have here in our clinic. Lice are not resistant to those products, and especially heated air. Not a blow dryer heated air. Scientific technology heated air that will kill those eggs and a portion of those bugs to make sure that your infestation is gone. If you have any other questions about SuperLice or about what we do, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and we hope you have a happy and lice-free day.